guys, can I work here?
No. No. Yeah, we've thought of a whole list of reasons why you can't work here, so, yeah. First of all, there's no insurance. And second of all, there's this guy in a freaky jester suit that you get assaulted by all day.
Why the heck do you guys work here?
Duh, 'cause sometimes you find gold.
Gold?
Yeah, gold. Lying around on the floor waiting to be picked up by somebody.
You mean like over here?
Gold.
Hey guys, looks pretty real to me. Maybe that I work here now we can all share it together.